So today we are going to discuss about baking soda. It is also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its molecular formula is NaHCO3. So first we'll see how we prepare this sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Now, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda is again prepared from sodium chloride, that is common salt. What we do is we take common salt and dissolve it into water, and then we pass two gases, namely carbon dioxide and ammonia gas, through this solution of sodium chloride and water, and what we get is ammonium chloride, which perhaps you might remember is a sublimatic substance, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated, decomposes into Na2CO3 plus H2O and carbon dioxide gas. And this carbon dioxide gas can be tested by using the test for carbon dioxide gas, that is, if we pass it through lime water, then this gas will turn lime water milky. So one thing that has to be written over here is that this, when heated, will result in this thing. There are many uses of baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The first use that we normally talk about is for the preparation of baking powder. Now you know that baking powder is used extensively in kitchens for making many kinds of food materials. Baking powder is prepared from baking soda itself by mixing it with a little quantity of some edible acid. This baking soda reacts with the hydrogen ion in the acid, and it produces carbon dioxide gas, some amount of H2O, and some salt of sodium. This carbon dioxide gas passes through the material in which this baking powder is mixed, and it makes that material fluffy. Take the example of preparation of cake. When we add this baking powder inside this cake, the flour or other ingredients used to make cake, then this carbon dioxide which is released, it tries to escape, and in this process it creates spaces or bubbles, you can say, which will make this flour or the ingredients of the cake rise, and hence it becomes much fluffy. So this is because the carbon dioxide which is evolved, it tries to escape. It is a gas and it tries to come out in this manner. making the substance fluffy. Another use of baking soda is used for manufacture of antacids. Why? Because the pH value of baking soda is greater than 7. So this salt is a mildly basic salt and it is used to neutralize the acid formed in our body, and due to that acid there may be some discomfort inside the body, and this antacid which is prepared from baking soda will neutralize that acid inside our body, giving us relief. Another important use of baking soda is in the manufacture or the preparation of soda acid fire extinguishers, which are used in places to extinguish fire. So we have seen that baking soda is a very important salt and it is also prepared from sodium chloride. How it is prepared and what are its uses. We shall come back in a later video to talk about another important salt, that is washing soda.